Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F23 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find General Management. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which we can customize. So basically, if you want to set the date and time manually, we have to turn off the network provided option. So just tap on those switchers, and as you can see right now we can freely tap on date, and here from this calendar we can pick the date we want to use. So just tap on the one you'd like to set and tap on done. The same situation with the time, but here just by swiping we can change the time. So let me pick this one randomly, and as you can see it will be also immediately applied to the status bar. The same situation with the time, just tap on it, tap on the region, and as you can see we've been transferred to the full list of all available ones. So the same situation, just find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So I'll pick this one, and as you can see it has been immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. And under it you've got also the time format option. Right now we are using 24-hour format, but if you'd like to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher here, and as you can see it will be immediately applied also. So basically this is it. This is how to customize the date and time, and of course you can get back to all previous settings. So to automatic options, just tap on those switchers here, and as you can see it will be immediately applied again. And to use 24-hour format, just tap here. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your Samsung Galaxy F23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.